Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check which apps are using the most battery on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to swipe up to go down and tap on battery. Now in here you can choose to show information in the last 24 hours or in the last 10 days. So I'm going to select in the last 10 days so that we have more data to work with. And down here you can view battery usage activity, but more specifically we want to check to see which app are using up the most battery. Now there are two different tabs in here. One is the battery usage by app and one is the show activity. So if you choose to show the information by battery usage by app, this information here will show the proportion of battery use by each app in the selected time interval at the top. And if you select show activity, this will show the amount of time each app was used in the selected time period. So you can see here, this one shows that the camera used up 1 hour and 33 minutes. But if we want to check to see which app using up the most battery, you can see that camera has used up 44% of the battery, while settings use up 19% and messages use up 17%. And so if your phone is running out of battery quite quickly, you want to go in here and check to see which app is actually causing the battery drain, whether it's using on the foreground or on the background. Go in here, you can check by the app, and perhaps you can end the app or maybe just pause the app or even remove the app. And that's it. That is how you can check to see which apps are using up the most battery on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.